Hi and welcome back to Online Tech Tips. Today I'm going to look at a topic that's sure to help free up space and fix glitches on your iPhone. How to clear the Facebook cache. If Facebook is running slow, crashing or taking up too much storage, clearing the cache might be just the solution you need. So let's get started. First, what exactly is the Facebook cache? It's temporary data like images, scripts and videos that Facebook saves on your device to load content faster. But over time, this cache can become outdated, causing slowdowns, glitches, or even crashes. Also, it can eat up a lot of storage on your iPhone. There are a few key reasons to clear your Facebook cache. It can improve performance. It can fix slowdowns, crashes, and freezing issues with the Facebook app. If content isn't loading properly in the app, clearing the cache can also help with this. And it frees up storage, especially helpful for older iPhone models with limited space. If everything's running smoothly, you don't need to worry about clearing the cache. Facebook usually manages it on its own. Now, let's look at how to actually clear the cache. While Facebook doesn't have a direct option to clear its cache, there are a few workarounds, so here's what you can do. First, offload and then reinstall Facebook. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, go to General, iPhone Storage, and then find and tap on Facebook in the list of apps. Tap Offload app and wait for the process to complete. Now tap Reinstall app and let it download again. This will remove most cache data while keeping your login information intact. You won't need to sign back in. Alternatively, you can clear Facebook's in-browser cache. Open the Facebook app and tap Menu at the bottom right. Tap the Settings icon in the top right. Scroll to Preferences and select Browser. Tap Clear next to the cookies and cache and then confirm. This clears data related to the in-app browser, which is great if you've been having trouble with links in Facebook. You can also try clearing the Safari browser cache. If you use Safari to access Facebook rather than the app, cleaning the browser cache can also help. Open the Settings app and go to Safari Advanced Website Data. Find facebook.com, swipe left and tap Delete. Or, to clear all of your browser data, open Safari, tap the bookmarks icon and choose Clear History. Select all history and then confirm. Just remember, you'll need to sign back into Facebook if you clear browser data. The next option is to uninstall and then reinstall Facebook. If you want to clear everything, including all cache data, long press the Facebook app icon on your home screen. Tap Remove App, then Delete App. Reinstall the app from the App Store and then sign back in. Your account data, like posts and friends list, are stored on Facebook's servers, so deleting the app won't affect any of that. And that's all you have to know. Clearing Facebook's cache on your iPhone is a great way to fix performance issues and free up space. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.